Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students of ninth class, Assalamu alaikum. I am your English teacher, Ghulam Farooq. In today's lesson, we are going to study comprehension passages number 7 and 8 with their questions and answers. You must open your book of grammar and composition. I am reading passage number 7 for you. Iqbal is not only the greatest poet of our age, but also one of the greatest poets of all times. There are not many poets who wrote as many great poems as he did. He did not write poetry for poetry's sake. He was, in fact, much more than a mere poet. He was a learned man. He was a great scholar and philosopher. He was a political leader of great importance. But more than anything, he was a Muslim who had a great love for God and his Prophet, peace be upon him. He wrote poetry to express the great and everlasting truths of philosophy, history, and Islam. He wrote poetry to awaken the Muslims of the whole world from the deep sleep and ask them to unite. Now, I would like to read the questions and their answers. Question number 1. Why is Iqbal considered to be one of the greatest poets of all times? Answer number 1. Iqbal is considered to be one of the greatest poets of all times because he wrote so many great poems for all times. Question number 2. Did he write poetry for poetry's sake? Answer number 2. No. Rather, he wanted to bring reforms in society through his poetry. Question number 3. How can you say that Iqbal was much more than a mere poet? Answer number 3. Iqbal was not a mere poet. He was a learned man. He was a great scholar. He was a great philosopher. And he was a political leader of great stature. Question number 4. What kind of Muslim was Iqbal? Answer number 4. He was a Muslim who had a great love for God and his Prophet, peace be upon him. Question number 5. With what aim did he write poetry? Answer number 5. He wrote poetry to express the great and everlasting truth of philosophy, history, and Islam. He wrote poetry to awaken the Muslims of the whole world from the deep sleep. Question number 6. What was Iqbal's call to the Muslims of the whole world? Answer number 6. He asked the Muslims of the whole world to unite. Now, dear students, passage number 8, I'm going to read for you. Though today my throat is not supporting me, but I'm reading for you. Please keep your books open in front of you, and you also must read with me. Passage number 8. One day, a girl found a coin. It rolled away before her broom when she was sweeping the yard. Broom means jharu. Yard means sahan, and fell with a little clatter against the wall. Clatter means टकरा कर गिरना, उसकी आवाज़ आना, टकरा कर गिरने की आवाज़ आना. जैसे कोई सिक्का, कोई कॉइन हम उछालते हैं, टॉस करते हैं और वो ज़मीन पे गिरता है, पुख्ता ज़मीन पे, फर्श के ऊपर, तो उसकी आवाज़ आती है. दैट साउंड इज़ कॉल्ड clatter. She ran and picked it up. Someone had dropped it while crossing the yard, and perhaps had not even troubled to look for it. It was worth little, but it seemed a whole fortune to her, who never had anything of her own before. She rubbed it clean on the sleeve of her blue cotton jacket and put it into her pocket. Now, questions and their answers. Question number 1. What did the girl find? Answer number 1. She found a coin. Question number 2. When did she find it? Answer number 2. She found it while she was sweeping the yard. Question number 3. How had the coin been dropped there? Answer number 3. Someone had dropped it while crossing the yard and perhaps had not even troubled to look for it. Question number 4. What was the worth of the coin? Answer number 4. It was worth little. Question number 5. Why was it a whole fortune for her? Fortune means khazana, paise, daulat. Answer number 5. It seemed a whole fortune to her because she never had anything of her own before. Question number 6. How did she clean it? Answer number 6. She rubbed it clean on the sleeve of her blue cotton jacket. Question number 7. What did she do after cleaning it? Answer number 7. She put it into her pocket. Dear students, these passages and answers of the given questions are very much simple as cooked food for you. You must try to understand and comprehend these answers, and you must create your own answers after having read these pages, these passages, but they should be accurate and to the point, neither longer nor shorter than required. Dear students, in today's lesson we studied passage number 7 and passage number 8. In next lesson, inshallah, we will read and study passage number 9 and 10. By that time, Allah Hafiz, stay home, stay safe.